Hey guys, it's Doug here, coming to you with yet another video helping transform you from pawn to player in this game we call life. In today's one, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you one of the most exciting discoveries I've found yet in this incarnation. That, of course, is quantum healing codes, which are numeric sequences with spaces in between that can actually alter reality at a quantum level, guys. Now that sounds pretty out there, right? But I've tested it and the results are almost instantaneous. I, for one, cleared up a headache in just a matter of seconds by using the specific code for headaches. And this headache would have persisted for hours before I had these codes. I've had headaches on and off my whole life, so I understand. It's a common ascension symptom. It happens when you're too dehydrated, etc., etc. Enough about that, but on to just what these codes are, how they work, and all that fun stuff. Guys, so these quantum healing codes have been channeled from the Divine Mother herself, directly from Source and the Ascended Masters. And these codes, guys, are a gift for all of humanity. These codes are completely free. I'm going to leave a PDF down below in the description. It's the same PDF I got from my source and all those kind of things. And I'm sure, the PDF is floating out there, in various places. But here's yet another place you can get it. So if you haven't heard of these guys, I implore you to go down in the description and download this PDF because it is so incredible. There are just so many of these codes. It's mind-boggling. It can take you about an hour to scroll through them all. I'm not even kidding. I was sitting there with my jaw on the floor the first time I discovered this PDF and was just looking at all of these codes, and it blew my mind, And this document is God, what's a good word? Divided or whatever. It's divided into sections. I'm just so overwhelmed with this. I just love sharing this with you guys. So it's divided into different sections for different body parts like head, neck, shoulders, legs, arms, etc. But there's also, besides just the plain Jane codes, and even, I shouldn't say they're plain Jane, they're incredible codes. There's ones for greater diseases, such as curing cancer, asthma, all these things that, people just have been struggling with their whole lives. And that's why it's such an amazing discovery, at least for me. And I know they work, and like anything, these really rely on your willingness to have them work, your belief in them, and how consistently and intentfully you apply them in your life, right? And we'll get to the how you use them in just a moment. But in addition to just physical body ones, there are ones for animals and pets. Like, I was able to stop my dogs from excessively barking, which if you've had puppies, that's an inevitability. And this code worked, and it blew my mind because it's just one of those things where nothing seems to stop dogs from barking excessively, but this code did. It was just so incredible, guys. There's ones for emotional struggles, whether you are just out of a relationship, all these kind of things, anxiety, anger. There's just spiritual upliftment. There's really intense ones for like phasing through matter, getting telekinetic abilities, and just all these kind of awesome things. Like I could go on for 2 hours just explaining all the different codes, which is why you guys just need to download the PDF for yourselves and check it out, because it is mind-boggling, guys. And a quick tip, because the document is so long, is if you haven't heard of the Control F tip, it's a thing where you hit Control F on your keyboard and then you can type in a specific word and it will search the whole document for those words and jump to different sections. with those words in it. And I highly, highly recommend using that for this document. Now, the first time you open it, just, scroll through it and take as much time as you need. But practically speaking, you're going to want to jump to the things that you need most in that moment. For instance, you have a pounding headache, you're going to want to jump right to the headache one. I'm grateful for every single code on that list, of course, but sometimes, you just need a beeline to a very specific one. So anyway, guys, these codes are so awesome because everything is... And the reason I knew they worked as soon as I heard about them, I didn't even have to test it out, although I'm so glad I did, and now I use them for pretty much everything because there's that many codes, is numbers just dictate this universe. Now, from an early age, guys, I resonated very strongly with numbers. I remember I used to be laying in bed and I would get visions of numbers and all these kind of things in my dreams. And I've just always loved numbers. I was good at math as a kid, like mental math. I can just, spout off something that people need a calculator for, just automatically. It's not a struggle for me. So numbers have always been something I've resonated strongly with. And it's so awesome to see that they... as much as they construct the universe, they can alter it in a moment's notice as well. And it's just such a fascinating concept to me. But guys, let's, of course, dive right into how you use them. Now, this PDF has these instructions, too, at the top. So, you always have that as a reference as well. But I want to go over the ones they discuss. And then also, additional fourth method that I've found works. Like I said, with that headache, I actually use this method. So let's get down into the first three, of course. The first one is very simple. You just write out the code either on a piece of paper or a Post-it note and put it near the area of the body you need. Or you can actually physically just write it on your body, like if you wanted to write one on your arm, for instance, or your foot, whatever it is, you can write directly on the body part. Pretty simple method, guys, works great. The next method, guys, is to actually use like your phone or a tablet, and you can type out the code on there and then place it over. So like if you're trying to fix something in your hand or fingers, you could go like this, or any body part, and the code works. By the way, there's codes for making your electronic devices work more smoothly, which is awesome. Like I said, there's so many various miscellaneous ones. You would be like, wow, that's on there? I digress, guys. I could go on for an hour. And I'll probably make videos in the future about these too. I plan on using them. I mean, the rest of this incarnation, they're incredible. But anyway, I get excited. Like I said, this is an exciting topic for me. But anyway, the next method is you can actually just, air them out, or outline them in the air, so you can do that right in, near the body part or right in front of you works too, I'd say. It's a lot like if you've ever done Reiki. The energy just kind of knows exactly where to go. And so you can, like the various symbols in Reiki, you can just air them out in front of your face or near the body part, whatever you feel like doing, whatever you're called to in that moment. And all of these methods work, guys. I really like the physically writing it down method. I actually put a Post-it note on the cup I always drink water out of. And I find that to be a very effective and easy way. Because like any intention, you can place it into the food and drinks you're about to consume. So that's another great way of just making sure every single cell of your body are receiving these codes. Finally, guys, this additional method that I've been practicing with the last couple weeks. And I found it works just as well. So I thought I'd include it here because... this, it's a very easy method, and, no matter what, you're going to be able to do this one. And that, of course, is just speaking the codes like a mantra, so it could be like 1167692, you know, and then repeat it over and over like a mantra. By the way, that's the code that helps you manifest things. That's one I memorized and have been speaking like a mantra, so I can rattle it off the top of my head like that. I do hope to, well, no, I know I'll get it, memorize more and more of the codes, but that's the one I know easiest. But anyway, guys, the other important factor in using these codes, no matter which method you use, is to always follow the direct spacing on there. So in that one, it's 11 space 67 space 692. So when I said the code, I kind of had those pauses in between, and when you're writing out the code, you want to make a little space, or if you're stenciling it out in the air, you also move over a bit before making the next little chunk of numbers. And that is explained in the document, is vital to making them work. The document so far hasn't really explained why. However, that's the type of thing that as a collective consciousness we slowly download the answer to over time. So it's exciting stuff, and well, of course, like anything, we're going to keep learning more and more about it. To my knowledge, this is a relatively new thing on the planet. I've really only heard about this, you know, from one other source, although I'm sure there's more out there that I just haven't, you know, subscribed to or have been following. But, guys, as soon as this spreads throughout the world, you know, it's going to change things up. I mean, you know, just having cancer cured and all this stuff just through numbers. It's amazing. Numbers and our intention. And it just goes to show you how we all are from source. You know, we have the power to heal things like that. It's incredible stuff, guys. But anyway, like I said, you know, check out the document for yourself. Just try the codes because, you know, it's one of the easiest things you can possibly try, right? Just doing some number sequences. But like I said, profound results already for me. Just clearing up headaches. I've cleared up, you know, pain when I've stubbed my foot. You know, I've gotten my dogs to stop barking, and as you know, that can be a whole challenge with new puppies, you know. But anyway, guys, that's it for me. Check it out, and just, you know, visit my website if you feel called to book a session. Currently having a special on Akashic Record readings, so you get 25% off if you enter the coupon code Divine Timing at checkout. So highly recommend you do that. Such a good value there. I'd love to see you on my schedule. But anyway, guys, that's it for me. I really hope you've enjoyed. And until next time, have fun out there. Take it easy, guys.